today in this question, we are asked to solve for the specific heat of the metal. So to solve this, we will be having Q of metal is equals to negative Q of water, assuming there is no heat loss. Therefore, we have mCp delta T of metal is equals to negative mCp delta T of water, where delta T is equals to T final minus T initial. So mass of metal, Cp of metal times T final minus T initial of metal is equals to mass of water, Cp of water, T initial minus T final of water, to remove the negative sign. Solving for the specific heat of metal, we have mass water Cp of water, T initial minus T final of water, divided by mass of metal, T final minus T initial of metal.